uh, uh. Chew! I have the sniffles of doom.
Louie, that sounds like a common cold.
My nose runs, I cough, I sneeze with considerable force.
A cold is caused by a virus. Viruses spread easily through coughs, sneezes, and touching things. That's why colds can pass from one person to another very quickly.
Louie, have you been around anyone who is sick?
No, but I shook hands with just about everyone I met this week.
Lucky for me, I'm a toad. Oh, I'm so happy. I get to hop when I meet people.
That doesn't stop germs, Terrence. Now, Louie, go get plenty of rest, drink fluids, and make sure you wash your hands to help stop the spread to others.
A preventable downfall. Chew!
Watch out, Kirby. These are germs, odious germs. Wherever you look, you find them.
Okay, friends, let's all help heal our friend Louie Llama, because that's a good thing.